Hello there. It's been on the social media and the internet about how to clean your downpipes with this stuff. Harpic Power Plus Max 10. The reason apparently it's different than just using bleach is this is an acid as opposed to an alkaline, but we'll give it a go. These are the pipes, and as you can see they're minging. They're on a 2002 plate Diversion 900. Just apparently pour some into the bowl, get an old brush, and then just paint it on, and we'll see what happens with one, and then if it's any good I'll do the rest, and if it's not very good I'll have to replace a pipe. It's quite thick stuff. Do make sure you do it on cold pipes, because I believe the acid is sulfuric acid, and if it's hot pipes, then obviously you're going to get a cloud of sulfuric acid on you. You should probably use gloves as well, but it's just a general toilet cleaner. I'm not sure I want to get too much sulfuric acid actually on my bike, but this is why we got an old one to do plenty of tests on. Okay, alright, we'll leave that for about 10 or 15 minutes and then come back to it. Okay, that's about 10-15 minutes, and that has come up a right treat. Off a toilet cleaner, that's not bad at all. Let's give this a wipe down, wet scourer. Okay, there's still some pit marks on it, but it's taking it. In fact, they're just rubbing off. Yeah. And they will just rub off. What I'll do is I'll do the rest of the pipes and take some photographs of them and then give them a buff. Well, I mean, the rest of this stuff you can just do with an easy polish anyway. So, Harpic Power Plus Max 10, definitely worth giving it a go. Thanks for watching.